to full.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
Alright. Racing traffic, Archer 42 Hotel is going to be departing runway 14, departure to the south, Racine. Alright, and I'm going to do another short field.
All good.
If I can.
Luckily this runway is actually pretty long in Lakeview.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I think it's, what, 42?
Yeah, 40. I know it's over 4,000.
Yeah, exactly. So, not even worried about.
We did like a 1,600 foot takeoff at, or
exactly.
like 1,700 foot takeoff at the last place outside of Madison.
Alright. And full power. Off brakes.
Foot to the floor!
Oh yeah. Go live. All green. And 5. Actually supposed to rotate a little earlier, but that's fine. All that, clear the obstacles. Positive, flaps up.
Hey, you smell that burn?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the heat. I'm just glad it's working. Racing traffic, Archer 42 Hotel, departing the pattern to the south, Racine.
I'll let you do your descent checklist and whatnot.
You're good. Need to make a call. Lakeview traffic, Archer 42 Hotel is 8 miles to the west, inbound for straight in, RNAV runway 10, Lakeview.
Second number on traffic, Skyhawk 452, turning final, runway 5, second.
Lakeview traffic, Archer 42 Hotel is on a 4 mile, straight in for runway 10, Lakeview. Gonna be a little, I don't know if I see taxi lights. I think I see them, but it's hard to tell. Alright, we should be within about 3 miles now, just hit 3.
Traffic 65 is 3 miles southwest, planning long final runway 06.
Alright,
That's a different airport.
Yeah, most of these are. There's a ton of airports on this frequency.
Yeah, 122.8.
Why do you want up trim? Whatever. Alright. That's good. About to 2 miles. Oh, we have flaps 2, which we'll use for the final. Why am I even using autopilot? Like, I don't need it.
Yeah. I do. Ah, man, they're either like extremely light taxi lights or there's none, because
I don't think there's any.
I don't think I see anything.
I didn't see any on the charts or anything either, so.
Oh.
Yeah. But hey, we got a nice landing light, so.
Yeah. Yeah, these are actually really nice lines.
Yeah, for sure.
I don't see the Pappy, but.
No, I don't either. I think it's on, no, they were saying that it was for both, so, and I didn't see a NOTAM saying, but I don't know. Alright, flaps 2.
Traffic of the 26091, left downwind, runway 2. Nancy County, Cessna 5656 Golf, 5 to the south.
Dipping on each other.
Field.
Sucks.
And circling for a little bit.
Lakeview traffic, Archer 42 Hotels on a short final 10, Lakeview. Yeah, it is Lakeview.
Yeah, it is. Lakeview.
I think I heard, it was hard to tell if that was another guy that's saying he was on final. I couldn't tell.
It was, but it was a different airport field.
Yeah, it just happened to also be 10.
Yep, exactly.
Oh, it was just hard to tell.
Yeah, those Christmas lights aren't a distraction at all.
No, not at all. actually hilarious, honestly. I don't know why I only just now actually realized them.
Dude, it's like a fucking strobe.
Yeah, I know. Like, gosh dang, guys. Alright.
Oh, they turn off when planes. Oh, no, never mind.
That'd be cool. Alright. And I can see it.
I see the numbers.
Pretty nice. Power out. Gonna flow for a little longer than I wanted to.
Oh, you're fine.
Yeah.
We gotta get down there anyways.
Exactly. Oh, I think it's right here.
The first exit.
Can I make that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
To the left. Alright.
I'll take it. Alright. Let me just get clear first.
Yeah, you're good. I'm just looking for his pickup.
Yeah. Lakeview traffic, Archer 42 Hotel is clear of runway 10, taxiing to the hangars. Lakeview. Alright, let's go ahead and bring that up a bit more, turn off the wing strobes. That's good, that's good, that's good.
I don't know if this is the main FBO, but we'll see. Just look for a pickup truck.
Well, you said the third building to the left, right?
Yeah, it's a concrete, old concrete hangar, and there's a black F-150 pickup. That's why I'm thinking maybe it's on the other side.
Lakeview traffic, Archer 42 Hotels, departing runway 10, departure to the east. Lakeview. That's actually insane. Alright. Here we go. Round 2.
Hey.
Alright, alive. Still in the green. And 55, rotate. Yeah, right down the runway.
Yeah. Alright, this runway is 5,000 feet.
Awesome. Plenty good.
Yep.
Hang on. Lakeview traffic, Archer 42 Hotel is departing the pattern to the west, Lakeview. Mount Pleasant traffic, Archer 1242 Hotel, 10 miles to the southwest, inbound to enter a straight in for runway 09er, Mount Pleasant. Mount Pleasant traffic, Archer 42 Hotel is 5 miles to the southwest, inbound to enter a straight in for runway 09er, Mount Pleasant.
Right base, runway 4, go to traffic.
Nope, not us.
Nope. Mount Pleasant traffic, Archer 42 Hotel is on about a 2-mile final for 09er, Mount Pleasant. Yeah, actually I'll slow down a little bit more. Take that poppy tracking though.
Yeah, the poppy's nice and bright too.
Yeah.
Definitely too low.
Yeah. It's kind of like I can see both almost.
Yeah.
There we go.
That gave us a nice like whoop.
Yeah, I honestly just used that to get us up because now I could just ride it on down.
Yeah. Man, that's a nice and bright pappy. I like it.
Honestly. Yeah. This will be a much better airport.
Yeah.
For sure. Alright. All good.
Well, at least you're getting some more nighttime.
That's what I'm saying. I actually have to figure out how to log that.
I can show you. I brought my logbook with nighttime logged.
Yeah. Well, like, more just trying to figure out time-wise.
Oh.
When to start the night and yeah, all that fun stuff.
Pretty sure right now we're at the point it's 1 hour after, 1 hour before and after.
I'll have to check when sunset was in Michigan, and I can check the flight plan at what times we were at what point.
Yep.
That makes sense. Alright.
I see the numbers.
Yep.
Nice.
Power's out. I don't think I'm gonna make that first taxiway.
Nah, but it's alright.
Yeah.
They all go to the same spot.
Exactly.
That's pretty smooth.
I'll take it. Actually, I'm probably just gonna back taxi, to be honest. I think the next one's pretty... Oh, no, it's... I just don't see it.
Yeah.